Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's dive into this. We're looking at the exact blueprint to hit that coveted $10,000 monthly milestone by stepping into a brand new role, becoming a digital architect. If you've been feeling like the old standard playbook just kind of isn't cutting it anymore, and you want a highly structured, efficient way to understand wealth creation in the modern era, well, you are in exactly the right place.
$10,000 a month. It's a number that gets thrown around all the time, right? But it really is the ultimate financial goal for so many students and beginners out there, mostly because it represents true, breathable independence. And look, let's be real for a second. Trying to get there through the traditional education to employee pipeline, it's incredibly stressful. You're looking at years of studying, mounting bills, all just to hopefully land some entry-level job that barely even covers your rent. But today, we're unpacking a source that totally flips that script on its head. For this explainer, we're focusing entirely on the 5 steps of 10K income.
I mean, there's just a stark contrast between these two worlds. On one side, you've got the traditional path. Folks on this path are often drowning in student debt, they're absolutely terrified of artificial intelligence coming for their jobs, and fundamentally, they're just being trained to be a compliant employee. It's basically a path built on old rules. But then, look at the new path. While everyone else is stressing out, completely paralyzed by the fear of new tech, a whole new group of people is just stepping off that conveyor belt entirely. They're actively leveraging the exact AI that others fear, and they're using it to build massive wealth and achieve complete independent freedom. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the new identity of the people walking this modern path, the digital architect. A digital architect is a professional who sells high-value digital services to businesses. They don't just blindly trade their time for a small hourly wage, they leverage artificial intelligence and highly specialized skills to build independent wealth and freedom. It's a massive, game-changing shift from being just a cog in a machine to being the actual person who designs the systems. So here is our roadmap for today. 1. Debt versus digital architecture. 2. Maximizing talent and service. 3. The learn-earn loop. 4. Selling outcomes over features. 5. Building your authority brand. And 6. Stop consuming, start building. We are going to walk through this highly actionable 5-step framework to get you to that 10K mark. Let's jump right in.
All right, starting with Section 1, Debt versus Digital Architecture. The very first thing you need to internalize is this: stop following the traditional path. Seriously. The traditional education system is fundamentally designed to train you to be an employee. It literally teaches you to wait for instructions and follow a rigid curriculum. But if your goal is true financial freedom and hitting that $10,000 mark, you have to abandon that outdated blueprint entirely. You simply can't use an employee's map to find an entrepreneur's treasure. You have got to rewire how you think about work from the ground up.
Which brings us to Section 2, Maximizing Talent and Service.
So here is step 1 of the 5 steps of 10K income, talent maxing. Think about how most of us were taught growing up. We were constantly told to focus on fixing our weaknesses, right? Like if you're bad at math, you spend all your time getting a math tutor. But this framework suggests something completely radical. Stop trying to fix your weaknesses, just drop it. Instead, you absolutely must double down on your natural strengths. Our source identifies a specific talent tree that branches into 4 main nodes. So are you an organizer, someone who loves structure? Are you an analyst who thrives on data? A communicator who excels at connecting with people? Or are you a creative who loves bringing fresh ideas to life? Identify your core natural strength from these 4 options and build your foundation right there. Because honestly, wasting time trying to be something you aren't is the ultimate enemy of efficiency.
Moving to step 2, which is service maxing. So, the crucial point is that you must pick a digital service that provides direct, measurable business value. To charge those premium rates, your service needs to hit at least one of 3 primary goals for a business. Goal 1, make them money. So think funnel creation that directly drives sales. Goal 2, save them time, like implementing AI automation. And guys, it's actually wild when you realize that integrating simple AI workflows can save an average small business owner up to 20 hours a week on just repetitive admin tasks. That's huge. Or goal 3, save the money, perhaps through highly efficient video editing that they used to pay a massive agency to do. If your service doesn't directly impact a business's bottom line in one of these 3 distinct ways, they simply aren't going to pay top dollar for it.
All right, rolling into Section 3, the learn-earn loop.
This is step 3, skill maxing. Now this is where the magic really happens, and it's a cyclical engine, not just a straight line. Number 1, define your offer. Number 2, sell your service. Number 3, deliver the work. Number 4, fix the workflow with AI. And number 5, systemize the entire process. The absolute most important takeaway here is that you shouldn't wait to be some perfect, polished expert before you start. So many beginners get completely stuck in what we call tutorial hell. Did you notice how sell your service actually comes before deliver the work and fix the workflow? Yeah, that's intentional. You define it, you sell it first, you figure out how to deliver the result, and then you use AI tools to optimize and systemize that workflow so you can do it way faster the next time. This loop is exactly how beginners scale their income so quickly without needing a 4-year degree.
Next up, Section 4, Selling Outcomes over Features.
This brings us to step 4 of our blueprint, selling outcomes. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference between amateurs and highly paid professionals. Look at the freelancer over on the left. They focus heavily on features. They say things like, hey, I build chatbots. But the architect on the right focuses entirely on outcomes. They say, I save your business 20 hours a week. The underlying service might literally be the exact same thing. You're still building an AI chatbot, but the positioning, it's worlds apart. One sounds like a basic tech commodity that can be outsourced for cheap. The other sounds like an invaluable business partner that a CEO will happily drop thousands of dollars for.
Stop selling features. Sell outcomes. This is such an incredibly powerful takeaway from our source material. Remember, business owners don't actually care about the specific software or the intricate AI tools you use. They just don't. They are incredibly busy people. They only care about the end result you can deliver for them. Does it grow their revenue? Does it buy back their precious time? When you shift your language from what you do to what you deliver, your perceived value skyrockets instantly.
All right, moving into Section 5, Building Your Authority Brand. Your profile is your portfolio. In the world of the digital architect, you don't need a dusty traditional paper resume, and you often don't even need a complex, super expensive website when you're just starting out. A clean, highly professional social media presence is absolutely critical because it acts as both your modern-day resume and your portfolio combined into one single hub. When a potential client inevitably looks you up, your profile is the absolute first impression they get of your competence and your authority. And that brings us to the final step of the 5 steps of 10K income, brand maxing. You need to meticulously clean up your social media profiles. Optimize them so you look like a genuine industry authority, not just some beginner trying to figure things out on the fly. When someone lands on your page, whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever, it should be instantly obvious who you are. And more importantly, you must clearly state the value you bring to clients right there in your bio. Pin your best portfolio posts. This kind of undeniable authority positioning draws high-paying clients directly to you. It totally flips the dynamic from you begging for work to them applying to work with you.
And finally, Section 6. Stop consuming, start building.
The blueprint is right in front of you. Let's move to and see how this builds into a complete, undeniable picture. You now possess the exact 5-step framework required for a 10K income. Maximizing your talent, packaging a high-value service, turning the crank on the learn-earn loop, selling outcomes instead of features, and building a bulletproof authority brand. We've journeyed all the way from recognizing the stress and immense limitations of the traditional student path to adopting the highly empowered, totally modern identity of the digital architect.
So I want to leave you with this final, incredibly important question. Will you keep consuming or will you start building? You've got the knowledge. You have the structured steps. The only thing left for you to do is to step out of that passive learner role and take immediate action on this framework. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this structured breakdown has sparked your curiosity and given you the clarity you need. Now go out there and start architecting your future.